Melissa Ogalevitz with the Weingarten Real Estate Team, here on location and excited to show you our newest listing at 36 Bowdoin Street in Westfield, Massachusetts. Let's go check it out. You're not going to believe this fully updated property. From the kitchen with white cabinets and stainless steel appliances, to the newly renovated bathrooms and finished basement, you've got to come take a look at this one. This fantastic property offers 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and just over 1,600 square feet of living space. Out back, you'll find a completely fenced-in yard with deck and incredible space for entertaining. Located minutes from Stanley Park and Westfield State University, this is the one. We hope you've enjoyed your personal tour of 36 Bowdoin Street in Westfield, Massachusetts. If you have any questions about this property or would like to schedule a private showing, please contact us at the number below. Here at the Weingarten Team, we believe who you work with matters, and we want to work with you.
The energy.
Right.
You know what I mean? And,
Am I close enough? I looked at the camera. Offers 3, oh, I don't know. Okay.